Welcome to Photoshop Art. After many years we have finally some good news. The most requested feature of all times is finally arriving to Windows 11. A few years ago, Microsoft introduced the Sets concept, which was cancelled, luckily for us. The whole premise of grouping related apps together as tabs in a single window made no sense, because you inherently cannot multitask in that way. All of your related apps are in tabs within the same window, and you can only see one tab at a time. Now it looks like Microsoft has finally started testing tabs in File Explorer on Windows 11. Rafael Rivera on Twitter, one of the developers of the Ear Trumpet Windows app, has discovered the new tabs support hidden inside Microsoft's latest Windows 11 test build. This feature appears to be one of the secret additions Microsoft has started testing in Windows 11 recently. The addition of tabs to File Explorer in Windows 11 is going to allow us to open multiple folders in one window. Let's hope Microsoft is going to deliver this feature to Windows 11 with the next big update, because it will make my work a lot easier. Tell us in comments what you think about this. Thank you for watching.